Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Vivo Z1 Pro related to its latest version with the version number 1.7.8. So basically this version was released I think almost 2 to 3 days ago, but I just got this update today itself, so I thought let's create a video. So let's begin with that. So according to changelog, they have mentioned that they have updated the security patch level, and apart to this they have optimized or improved the phone's power processing mechanism to reduce the power consumption, or I would say battery drainage and so on. Apart to this, they have also optimized the step counting logic in their health, or I would say to get the accurate exercise data and so on. Apart to this, they have also improved the camera photography effects and so on, and we'll surely be seeing this in after once we install this particular update. And apart of this, the update size is nearly about of 103.4 MB approximately. So before we start with the installation process, let's discuss few other things. So firstly, we'll focus on the Geekbench scores on the basis of the version 1.7.5, which is the currently installed version. So using that, these are the core score, that is single core score 401, multi-core score 1498. And we'll again check once we'll complete the installation process in the review video. And apart to this, on the basis of compute, these are the OpenCL score, that is 983, and these are the Vulkan API scores, that is 782. And apart to this, let's verify the status of camera to API. So with the current version, it is having limited support, or I would say limited hardware support level. So we'll see after installing 1.78 version, will it be increased to full or level 3, or will it be same. Apart to this, status of Wide1 certification. So at present it is showing us L1. Will again verify after installing the update that whether it has been it is been same L1, or will it be decreased to L3 or not. Although there are almost less chances, but again few manufacturers are creating mischievous things from last few months. So we'll again verify whether Vivo is also doing the same, or they are stick with the L1. Apart to this, also verify the graphic settings for the Call of Duty. So let's wait till the time it completely loads. So these are the graphic quality, and we have already selected the very highest available, that is very high, and verify for both graphic quality and frame rate. We'll again verify after installing the update whether they have decreased it or will it be same. And apart to this, now let's focus on the Call of Duty related thing, like what's the graphic quality and frame rate. So for Call of Duty, we are using again the very highest available, that is HD. If I'll be clicking on HDR, then they are saying that this will be available and so on, because our phone does not support HDR. That's why it will never be available. And apart to this, we are using the highest frame rate available. We'll again verify after installing the update. And apart to this, now let's verify one more thing in terms of I would say security patch level, that what is currently installed. So at this moment, the currently installed package is of I think 1st March 2020, and we'll verify will it be changing it to May 2020, or will it be updating to the April 2020. Most probably it will be April 2020, but we'll again verify once the installation process will be completed. Now we are good to go with the installation process. So let me download and install it, and we'll come back after once the update will be successfully installed. So stay tuned till then. So finally the update has been successfully installed. So now let's verify a few things. So firstly, let's go to settings and verify the version number. I would say for the security patch level, because earlier it was showing 1st March 2020, and we were anticipating for 1st May 2020. Not sure whether it is 1st May 2020 or 1st April 2020, but again let's verify. So it's really nice that the anticipation from our side has been met, that they have patched it to 1st May 2020. And apart to this, again let's move to the system update sections to check whether any new update is available, because sometime if company has released any buggy update, then either they will revoke it, or either they will be releasing a new update with the patched or fixed and so on. Now before installing update, we were verifying few things. Now let's again go to them, go to those sections and verify. So before updating to like 1.7.8, and when we were on 1.7.5, the hardware level support was limited, and even after installing it is same. So from last 7 to 8 months, they are not like making any progress in terms of hardware support level. Once we get full or level 3, then we can exhaust, or we can try at least bunch of Gcams for the Vivo Z1 Pro. Now apart to this, now let's verify the status of Widevance certification. So it's really good that before updating 1.7.8, when we were on 1.7.5, the status was L1, and again after installing it, it is L1, so it is good. Now verify the graphics and frame rate qualities for the Call of Duty. So before updating and after updating, the settings are same. The graphic quality is very high, frame rate is also very high. And apart to this, now let's verify the graphic quality for the PUBG Mobile as well. So again, those are same with the HD graphics and high frame rate. So all in all, there is no bad change in terms of gaming section after like updating this. Now let's verify the camera UI, as they have mentioned that they have changed few things. So I think camera UI or interface is almost same, but we'll again use it for next 1 to 2 days to see if they have added something new or not. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.